Every minute your network is down, productivity and profits take a hit. At IT Pros Management, we make sure that never happens. Our network support service eliminates disruptions with 24/7 local support, keeping your business connected, protected, and running at full speed. Achieve uninterrupted network reliability with continuous uptime and bandwidth reporting, powered by proactive maintenance and scalable network design that grows as you do. With certified experts on demand, our engineers optimize network performance while enhanced uptime ensures your business continuity never skips a beat. When every second counts, our local response teams are there, delivering rapid resolutions and proactive fixes that stop downtime before it starts. Our compliance-ready architecture keeps your business audit-ready and protected, with segmented, secure networks that reduce breach risks and strengthen client trust. With 575+ end users supported, a 98.6% client retention rate, and 15+ years in the industry, IT Pros Management has earned the trust of businesses that rely on performance. See why businesses trust IT Pros Management. Look what our clients are saying about our network support services that keep their systems running strong and their teams unstoppable. Stop reacting to network issues, prevent them. Contact IT Pros Management today and experience network support that never sleeps.